Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, rear view camera, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, stability control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.